Hey guys, this is Miss Recheck, and if you can't tell by now, one of my favorite books is The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. I absolutely love learning about the author. I was watching the BBC video that I had you guys watch and write about, and I definitely found it even more fascinating because I have done a lot of that research on my own to kind of learn his history and about him and why he wrote the books that he did and why he wanted to live the lifestyle he did and how he wanted to get the girl he wanted. And I find it very fascinating. I also think it's really interesting how society puts certain pressures on people to be a certain way, live a certain way, love a certain way, all of these things. So, yes, as we get into the text, I think you'll really start enjoying it. One of the things that we're going to talk about is literary criticism. And we are going to learn about 5 different types of literary criticism. And as we get into this text, one of our projects is going to be writing from a different perspective. And it's just a point of view on literature. So when you think of criticism, you can think of it as someone giving a critique and looking at a text through a certain lens. And all of these can be used to criticize The Great Gatsby. So on this list I have provided, it says biographical, we have historical, psychological, formalist, Marxist. There is also more like feminist that you could also put into this text. So I want you to read over these different kinds of criticism and keep this close because as we start to read Gatsby this week, you will have to look through one of these lenses to our text. Okay? So go ahead and review this and keep it close because this is something we'll refer back to as we get more into the text.